most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together, we're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Look younger, lose weight with hip, waist, and shoulder workout in 7 minutes at home.
You better believe it, Bob. This is designed specifically for your posture, larger muscle groups, and it really is going to burn some calories.
Which, by the way, the posture is what's going to make you look younger. If you've got bad posture, I can tell you already, you look older.
Right.
I mean, even if you're young, if you're walking around like this, you're going to say, who's that old guy or old girl? So, by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, join us on our social media channels because we're always giving away something. Right now, we're giving away the 4-in-1 foam roller. You actually get a rolling stick. I don't know, what would you call that? Kind of a massage.
It's a muscle massager.
Massage
ball
ball
for your shoulders, your back.
And a nice foam roller. It's all for, I think it's like $25. They got a couple bucks for shipping, but we're giving away 3 of them.
3 of them.
So you just got to go to our contest, bobandbrad.com for giveaways, or it's on Facebook, it's pinned to the top of our page.
There you go. Okay, Bob. Bob, I thought about this for a while. I thought, you know, sometimes we show these together, and I thought we should maybe go to the next level.
All right.
So you're going to have to leave.
All right.
We're going to get Liz in here.
The lovely Liz. Don't you want me out here doing commentary?
Yes, you can stay out, Bob. I'm just kidding. But Liz is going to come out, and she's going to do part of the routine, and I'm going to do the other part. The way we have this done is if you happen to have stretch bands, they work really nice. It's going to help your balance along with everything else. If you don't have
exercise tubing like body elastics.
Right, there you go. Thanks, Bob. And we got the anchor, or if you have another means to fasten it to the wall, that's what we're doing here. And I'm going to do it. If you don't have this, I'll show you the option. You can do it without any equipment.
Sure.
All right.
By the way, you're going to want to subscribe also to Liz's channel. Liz and her husband. He's a ne'er-do-well, but yeah, he's already waving at us over there. But they got the family product channel. We got it down below. Really fun. You can hear Liz talk and control her husband, which we all try to do. But
well,
okay.
She's doing a great job with him. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is work an exercise. Focus is on posture. Go ahead, Liz. You're going to go ahead and grab the bands. I'm going to do now, for me, I have to actually lay down on the floor for this if you don't have the bands. And Bob, you can kind of commentate this. And I'm going to go prone.
Liz, I can't remember what he was all having you do. Was he having you do it at all 3 levels?
Yep.
So starting down first. You want to have really good posture, and you're going to be squeezing the shoulder blades together here while you're doing it. So you can see that. I don't know if you can see that as you look at her shirt, you can actually see the wrinkles come together. And that's a good sign that the muscles are working and that the shoulder blades are coming together. Because over time, what happens is you're going to start doing this rounding out internal rotation.
A little faster, Liz. I'm getting ahead of you.
Now where are we up to next? Now she's going more just the level surface. She was starting down below. Now she's going at the, I don't know, like a cross level.
She's going to be working the middle traps instead of the lower traps.
Gotcha.
There you go.
All right.
What about me, Bob? I'm doing some work too.
Yeah,
don't forget
Brad,
me.
we don't really care about you. I think, I don't know, can you even see him? I want to make sure we're filming all right.
Because this is the option if you do not have the bands. We're working this out. You got it, Bob?
Yeah, I can comment from here too, Brad.
Okay, great. And then we're going to do did you get 10 yet, Liz?
Well, yeah.
Okay, should we do that?
Not quite 10 for the top, but.
Okay, on the top?
Okay.
Can we do a few more so I can catch up? Sorry
all
about that. How you doing, Liz?
I'm doing all right.
That's a great postural muscle. That really, that's a great postural exercise, I should say. It really works out the muscles really well.
You can do, we're doing 10, but you can easily do 10 or up to 20 on these, as many as you'd like, but probably 20 is going to be for someone pretty fit. And the next thing we're going to do to work large muscle groups is, I'll do it this way. So good posture. We're going to start here, and we're going to jump up in the air and down. We're going to do 10 of these. Make sure you breathe while you're pushing up. If you're not able to jump, simply work up like that without the jump. The
jump what's nice about it is you're getting a little bit of cardio here, actually, a little bit of workout, and you're working on posture, and you're working
on... Can you go faster?
And you're
there
working
you go. Keep going. There you go, Liz.
And now you're working on the legs.
Get some plyometrics in there for those more aggressive people. How you doing, Liz? Woo! Yeah, that's a good workout. Right. Okay, the next one, diagonals. We're going to work the core a little bit here. Go ahead. You can start doing them, Liz. so she can work the oblique muscles. And notice she's got really good posture. She's keeping her back straight. And a little faster, though. This
Yeah,
slow
again,
motion
she's
stuff's
working
no
the
good.
core, she's working the legs, she's working her posture. So it's a 3-in-1 type of exercise. And you look at Brad, he's kind of working the same thing. He's working his core, probably not his posture as much as Liz would be,
Right.
because she's in a better position for that. But he's definitely helping his low back by strengthening those abdominal muscles and the
Yep.
obliques.
Obliques, yeah.
Yep, and that's good. He's going cross but he's keeping his back flat, and he's moving his head up. He's not curling
I
forward.
don't want that.
Yeah. So that shows proper technique there, which is surprising because Brad usually doesn't show.
How you doing, Liz?
I did 10 on
I'm
each.
getting tired. Okay,
All right.
Me too.
let's go to the next one. Hip. Yeah, hook up your ankles there.
All right, we're going to take a little breather here as Liz hooks up her ankles.
I'm going to go in quadruped, and I'm going to do this for hip extension. And the dog, what do you call this one? The dog thing? The fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant.
There
Yeah.
you go.
There you go.
That has something to do with the dog. Okay, let's go ahead, Liz. She's going to do abduction. I'll start with
So
abduction.
Liz is doing abduction, and Brad is doing abduction too. He's probably getting a little bit of external rotation in there too.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you say, Brad?
One or another. I can feel it working my hips.
And that's good because the gluteus medius is a hip external rotator and internal rotator.
A good point.
Yeah, well, I thought I'd throw a little anatomy in there, Brad.
It
It
really
educate
feels
the
good
people.
too on my SI joint. I think it's going to be a good treatment for me. How you doing, Liz? Can we go a little faster?
Okay.
There you go. Pick that up a little bit. You get 10 yet?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, extension. Don't kick me.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Go
what's
ahead.
nice about the way Liz is doing it, using the wall anchor and the bi-elastic bands, she's working legs, but she's also working balance and even a little bit of posture again. So it's nice that you're able to work all three components with one exercise.
Nice work, Bob. You
and-
should be like Howard
Yeah.
Cosell. Whoa.
Am I getting close to your head?
Yeah,
You're
it won't hurt
fine.
anything.
Yeah.
There's nothing to hurt.
A good kick in the
So-
head does me some good.
Yeah, and there's certainly wouldn't hurt the looks. So I love this. I can
Why,
insult.
Bob?
Yeah.
Why?
10?
All right, 10.
All right. Now the next one. We're going to start out with how we finished because we really want to emphasize posture because,
We're gonna finish how we start. You mean?
yep,
All right.
what I
same
say.
thing.
Are you ready? Let's go ahead.
All right.
So, now make sure you get me this time, Bob, on this. I don't know if they saw me.
All right, we got both. Yeah.
All right. I don't
All
like
right.
to be left out.
So yeah, it's great to finish with posture because you want that reminder, that muscle memory going on as you go out throughout the day. The last thing you want to work is the posture, so that Liz, you want to go midline there, or yeah, there you go. So as you carry out the rest of the day, you're going to have that great posture, and you're going to look younger. You're going to feel better. Less likely to have back problems. Less likely to have neck problems. Less likely to have shoulder problems. You guys getting tired?
Overhead?
Yep, overhead.
Okay.
So, Bob, just
All
to
right.
mention, I just have a towel roll here so I can rest my head in a neutral position. There's nothing fancy with that. You know, you can get a fancy pillow or something if you want.
And
Whatever
don't be
works.
deceived by Brad's exercise. Even though he doesn't have any resistance there, that's a tough exercise to do, even just against gravity. You want to make it tough where you can take like some soup cans or a 1 pound weight.
Got
And
10?
there
Yeah.
we go. I guess that's 10.
Yeah, my shoulder range of motion and flexion is limited from years of abuse, but it's getting better.
All right. Once again, we want to thank the lovely and likable Liz.
Yes.
And, carry on.
That was a good workout for
That
you.
was good.
So if we did
I'm gonna
20
hurry up.
each, after this we'll do 20 each, and then so that we're really make sure we burn
Okay.
some calories.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
All right. Thanks
Thank
everybody for
you.
watching.